Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and several of y'all had the question, hey man, when you finish working out with the Rogue Echo Rower, which you see here, how do you fold it and move it to your storage area? Well, I'm about to show you that. It's actually super simple. Now I do want to remind everyone, and it's illustrated on the device, it's on the rower itself, which, well, it should be, I guess. But be sure to read the owner's manual, because there is a pinch point there that if you grab it the wrong way, you could pinch yourself. And anyway, so just be aware of that. But here's what I do. So I finish rowing. The first thing I do, this little clip, and you noticed it was clipped to the underside of the rower so it wouldn't obstruct the seat. See, this seat will, it's a rowing machine, it'll move. But what this clip is, you position it, so put your seat all the way forward and then put this clip on. And see, now the seat won't move. You do that before you do what I'm about to do, the folding of the Rogue Echo Rower. So to fold it, first thing you got to do, there's this clip here. It's very easy. You just lift up, and then once you've lifted up, you push that back. Now this is in a released state, which means now we can fold the Rogue Echo Rower. Again, this right here is a pinch point. Be aware of that. But to fold it, all I do is this. I gently lift on, let's see, well, you need to make, and again, that wasn't, that's got to be free. See, now don't put your finger in there, because that's the pinch point, but there's these handles on the back where your feet go, and you can see now this is starting to come together. So hold the handle. And then what you can do here, I put my foot at the back of one of the tires, or wheels, whatever you want to call it. Gently push that down, and then, boom. It's got a little clip right there. What you can do is notice how I put my foot against the wheel. That just prevents it from flying one way or the other. But see, this, while it's in storage, this piece clips to that. These wheels are very nice. You don't have to pump them up, so that's nice. No air required. But see, this is highly maneuverable. And you can see I'm holding the Echo Rower at the back of where your feet go. It's got a handle on each side. So it's easy to maneuver. The bottom, well, the bottom being when it's in the folded state. Now, it's got pads down there so that when you move it to your storage location, which for me is over here, so I get it to where I want it to be. I'm very picky about where I place things. Okay, and then what I can do is kind of push my foot against the wheel and just gently sit down. It's not heavy. If you notice, if you wondered, oh, why is he having such a hard time doing that? I just like to take care of my stuff. It'd be easy to wheel it over there and just slam it down against the concrete slab, which a lot of people may. This is very well made. It may be able to handle that, but I take good care of my stuff. Speaking of that, subscribe to my channel and check out my Rogue Echo Rower maintenance videos. I'll show you what I do to maintain my Rogue Echo Rower. But that's how to fold and store, roll to wherever you store it while it's not in use. Super convenient, super quick. I do all my benches. And well, not benches, but all my, this is a bench that I use here for my ab workouts. See, I just wheel stuff around, and then that way, while it's not in use, it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's not in the way, and then when I'm ready to use it, Rogue Echo Rower, for example, just put my feet there, move it to where I want it to be, and then I unfold it. It's super simple. I'm not going to unfold it again. It takes a few seconds, but you can check out my review video and you'll see step by step how to unfold the Rogue Echo Rower. But yeah, that's how to fold up the Rogue Echo Rower and then wheel it to wherever it needs to be stored while it's not in use. And again, don't forget that clip, because if you don't put that clip there, the seat's going to flop around. You don't want it moving while it's in storage. But remember to take that clip off before you start rowing, because obviously, well, you can't row with the seat clip on. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do. And check out all my other home gym videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IRIX Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.